Okay, so you remember that balloon dog that I thought was so awesome, and then I printed it and it was this size? So I'm making up for that now. So we have not one, 190%. Oh man, I gotta back up some here now. Not one, 190% balloon animal dog, which turned out pretty good. It's got some rough spots on the belly, which I made him 3 layers, so I'm gonna do a little sanding on it here as well. But this isn't it. There's also a 195. Oh man, I gotta go further back. Hold on, I'm gonna scoot. A 195% balloon dog. So, the balloon dog has been redeemed. And this color is really cool. Here's the other side. Oh, you didn't see that coming, did you? Oh. Oh. And this guy came out really good too. And this guy was 195, printed on the Neptune 3 Pro because I got the height. And this guy I could only get 190 for him on the Bamboo Lab X1 Carbon because of the height. So, balloon dogs.